I'm consumer investigator Dale Cardwell, and this is consumer news we can use. Nothing takes more wear and tear in your home than your floors. From pet paw scrapes to kids' scooter scuffs, finding the right floor for your family can take a bit of research. Our expert, Mark Montini of Floor Coverings International, explains what you should consider when investing in new floor covering.
You can have beautiful product, but if you have bad installation, it doesn't achieve the ultimate goal.
And for Floor Coverings International, that goal is to fit your family's function and style. But when it comes to flooring, installation matters most.
Making sure that all of the installation is done in a way that protects the warranty on the product, and more important, that you don't pay that last payment until you're 100% satisfied at the end of the installation process.
Great advice. But before you commit, you need to know exactly what you're getting. That's why Floor Coverings International sends their showroom to you.
It all starts with our free in-home consultation. Our design associate will bring our mobile flooring showroom that has over 3,000 different product options that the customer can look at in their home, under their lighting, next to their furniture, compare it to their wall colors. We really focus on working with that homeowner to listen to what the homeowner is trying to achieve and then manage that project all the way through the installation.
What should I expect when we talk about pricing?
At Floor Coverings International, we include everything. Things like furniture removal, removing the waste or the debris from the job, using manufacturer-approved underlayment under the flooring to make sure that the warranty stays intact. All of those things need to be included for the homeowner to really do an apples-to-apples comparison of who is the best choice to install their floors.
Call today to set your appointment, and Floor Coverings International will come to you.